Glow up isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling incredible both inside and outside. Now, true transformation literally starts by aligning your mind, body, and soul. So in today's video, we will uncover the ultimate glow up blueprint. This guide is packed with practical tips, science based evidence, and actionable steps to become the best version of yourself. Chapter 1: Glow up your mind. First is to reframe your mindset. Your thoughts shape your reality. So, according to a research by the Stanford University, adopting a growth mindset, believing you can improve with effort, leads to higher success and resilience. Start by challenging negative self talk. Instead of saying things like, I'm not good enough, say, I'm learning and I'm growing every day. Positive affirmations and self compassion are the foundation of a glowing mindset. Now, write down three affirmations every morning. Something like, I am capable, I am worthy, I am improving, and watch how your perspectives shift over time. Step 2 is to feed your mind with knowledge. Now, knowledge is power. Learning keeps your mind sharp. So, studies from the Journal of Neurosciences show that continuous learning enhances cognitive function and boosts confidence. Set aside at least 15 to 30 minutes of your day to either read a book, listen to a podcast, even take an online course. Choose topics that either excite or challenge you. If you've always wanted to improve your communication skills, then read a book like How to Win Friends and Influence People, or even listen to certain TED Talks on personal development. Chapter 2: Glow up your body. Step 1: Fuel your body with nutrition. Glowing skin and high energy levels start in the kitchen. A balanced diet rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats provide the nutrients that your body needs to thrive. The research from the Harvard Health shows that foods that are rich in antioxidants like berries, leafy greens, and nuts reduce inflammation and promote radiant skin. You can start your day by having a green smoothie that is made with spinach, banana, almond, chia seed. It's packed with nutrients and it's glow up in a glass. Step 2: Move your body with intention. Exercise isn't just about feeling strong, it's literally about feeling good and energized from within. Studies from the American Heart Association show regular physical activity improves mood, boosts confidence, and reduces stress. Choose activities you enjoy. So it can be something like yoga or even Pilates or dancing, going for a brisk walk, swimming. It could be literally anything that you enjoy. The goal is to move consistently, not perfectly. So try a 20-minute YouTube dance workout or even take a morning stroll with your dog in the park. When movement is fun, it becomes a habit that you literally look forward to and enjoy. Step 3: Prioritize rest and recovery. Rest is literally as important as activity. So, quality sleep and relaxation are crucial for a healthy body and glowing skin. According to the National Sleep Foundation, adults need at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep to allow the body to repair and recharge. So, you can start by creating a very basic nighttime routine like dim the lights, sip some chamomile tea, take a wind down with a skincare ritual. Now, sleep truly is your beauty secret. Chapter 3: Glow up your soul. Step 1 is to practice gratitude. Now, gratitude rewires your brain for positivity. So, research from the Greater Good Science Center shows that regularly practicing gratitude improves happiness and reduces stress. So, every evening, write down three things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple, kind word from a friend, or even a sunny day. I, for once, love the days when it's sunny. A gratitude journal doesn't have to be fancy. Sticky notes, app, notebook that you no longer use, it doesn't matter where you write. Consistency is the key. Step 2 is to connect with yourself through mindfulness. Mindfulness keeps you grounded and helps you embrace the present moment. Studies from the Johns Hopkins University reveal that mindfulness reduces anxiety and enhances self awareness. So start small. Spend 5 minutes focusing on your breath. Even try a guided meditation on apps like Calm or Headspace. So think of mindfulness as your personal reset button. Even pausing to take a deep breath can help you bring back to your own center. Step 3: Surround yourself with positive people and positivity. So the people and environment that you surround yourself with actually influence your spirit. Seek relationships that uplift you and inspire you. Unfollow accounts that make you feel insecure and follow those that encourage growth and positivity. Curate a physical and digital space that feels like a home. Imagine replacing a toxic social media content with motivational pages that teaches you, that inspire you to follow your dreams and goals. The difference is truly transformative. I, for once, have literally unfollowed and muted everyone who makes me feel drained, insecure, unmotivated. Follow only the ones who make me feel motivated. So now let's move on to our video homework. These are actionable steps that you can start today so as to get on with your own glow up journey. Make sure that you follow these homework steps and comment down which one works for you. So, first one is journal your glow up goals. So, write down one goal, each for your mind, body, and soul, and follow them for the next 1 week. Now be specific and set a timeline. Start gratitude practice. So for the next 7 days, before going to bed, write down 3 things that you are grateful for. Number 3 is create a vision board. So include images, quotes, affirmations, and all of that represent your own glow up journey. Number 4, commit to one habit. So pick any one habit that I have shared in this video and try it consistently for the next 1 week. Glow ups aren't about perfection. They are all about progress. So by nurturing your mind, body and soul, you'll radiate confidence and joy from inside out. So thank you for watching and let me know in the comments which tip resonated with you the most. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content related to your own glow up journey. Remember, every step that you take is a step towards your ultimate glow up.